Welcome back to Terratern. Today I want to talk to you about one of the trickier part of the IELTS test, the yes-no not given questions. These questions are designed to test your ability to understand the opinion, claims or statement made by the author in the passage. While they can be challenging with the right approach, you can tackle them confidently and effectively. Step 1. Understanding the question type. First and foremost, it is important to understand what each of these responses means. Yes means the statement agrees with the claim or opinion of the author. No means the statement contradicts what the author says. Not given means the information is either missing or not mentioned in the passage at all. It is crucial to remember that these questions focus on the author opinion or views. So always keep in mind whether the statements align with what the author is expressing in the text. Step 2. Read the statement carefully. The next step is to carefully read each statement before diving into the passage. Try to understand exactly what the statement is asserting. Is it presenting a fact, an opinion, or a claim? This will help you to focus when you start reading the passage. For example, if the statement says the author believes that the modern technology has improved communication among people, you will need to find out if the author truly holds the opinion in the text. Step 3. Scan the passage for the relevant information. Once you have understood the statement, scan the passage to locate where the relevant information might be. You don't need to read the entire passage word for a word at this stage. Just focus on finding the section that discusses the topic of the statement. It's worth nothing that the answer might not always appear in the same order as the question. So be prepared to move around the text as needed. Step 4. Compare the statement with the passage. Now comes the critical step, comparing the statement with the what passage says. If the statement reflects the opinion or the claim of the author, you choose yes. If it directly contradicts with the author's view, you choose no. And if you can't find any mention of the information in the passage, you choose not given. Let's go back to our example. Suppose the passage says the author argued that although modern technology has made a communication faster, it has also led to less meaningful conversation. If the statement is the author believes that the modern technology has improved communication among the people, your answer would be no, because the passage suggests a negative impact. Step 5. Eliminate unnecessary information. When you are comparing the statement with the passage, focus only on the relevant part of the text. Don't get distracted by the information that isn't directly related to the statement you are analyzing. Step 6. Avoid making assumptions. One of the most important things to remember is not to make any assumption. Your answer should be based solely on the passage in front of you. Don't bring in outside knowledge and don't guess beyond what the text provides. This is particularly important for the not given answers. If the information isn't there, don't try to infer it. Just select not given. Step 7. Practice regularly. Finally, like any skill, practice makes perfect. The more you practice these type of questions, the better you will get at identifying the author opinion and matching them with the statements. In conclusion, the yes, no, not given questions might seem daunting at first, but a systematic approach and a regular practice, they can become more manageable. Focus on understanding the author's views. Compare them carefully with the statements, and most importantly, don't make assumptions. If you follow these steps, you will find yourself improving and gaining confidence as you prepare for the IELTS. If you found these videos helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Terratern for more tips on building your career abroad.